If you want to create faceless YouTube videos in 2023, you need to watch this video till the end. YouTube would not accept your channel into the YouTube Partner Program if you create and upload AI-generated content the wrong way. This is not a joke. In this video, I'm going to review the YouTube community guidelines as it concerns AI-generated content by interpreting what it means for faceless YouTube content creators. Additionally, I'll walk you through the process of using AI content production tools to produce professional quality faceless YouTube videos to allow you to monetize them on YouTube. Let's begin with the most common misunderstanding concerning AI content creation. Many people believe that the process of using AI to create faceless YouTube videos consists of using AI tools to generate an article, copying and pasting the article into a robotic text-to-speech program, using the AI-generated text to generate a video by using an AI video generator, and then putting everything together before uploading to a YouTube channel. That's what it seems like. This approach has a high failure rate because you might never see YouTube revenue. The issue with producing AI YouTube videos is that AI can detect AI. For text, images, and audio, YouTube has AI crawlers. To ensure safety and compliance with community standards, they crawl each and every piece of content that is published to YouTube. The YouTube AI can tell that an AI was used to create the content when it analyzes and transcribes the video. Your videos wouldn't be demonetized by YouTube based on this finding alone. When a real human reviews your channel and finds a few auto-generated reports of artificial intelligence-generated content, the issue may get worse. The manual reviewer must now rely on their own judgment to determine if the AI-generated content on your channel adheres to the community standards for YouTube videos. Because of the negative initial impressions your channel has created, they will likely reject your application. I'll go through a few reasons why using AI content creation tools can result in your demonetization. The second issue I'm about to describe is one of these causes. Another problem with artificial intelligence-generated content is that it's impossible to determine how many people have created and uploaded identical or strikingly similar AI-generated videos to YouTube. Your chosen topic can be similar to one chosen by another YouTube content creator. There is a good probability that your videos will be identical if both of you employed the same AI content generating tool to create the article and the video. This can result in the demonetization of your YouTube videos due to repetitive content. Plagiarism may also be a factor. YouTube AI is capable of identifying instances in which your videos contain content that has already been uploaded and published on other websites. Many AI script generating tools have a big issue with this. The majority of them gather information from the internet and stitch together or combine information that are relevant to the subject you asked them to write about. It is really challenging for you to determine precisely where the AI is stealing the script in this situation. There is a very significant likelihood that demonetization will occur as soon as this plagiarism in your content is discovered. Many YouTube creators or other users believe that using artificial intelligence AI voiceovers would result in the demonetization of their videos. This is in no way entirely accurate. YouTube prioritizes video content analysis over visual analysis, placing audio quality last on the list. You won't lose your revenue only for including AI text-to-speech in your video if it has high-quality visuals and truly original and useful information. The demonetization of AI-generated contents is always influenced by a few things, and text-to-speech is rarely at the top of the list. Can I create videos with AI content creation tools and monetize them on YouTube? The answer is yes. There is a caveat though. Make sure to use these AI content creation tools and applications the right way. Here are the 5 steps for using AI content creation tools to create a faceless YouTube video. Step 1. Research your video themes or topics using AI. AI is a tool or piece of software that helps you create content. It is never intended to take your position as the content producer. You can conduct keyword research and discover what people are seeking for with the aid of AI tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and Answer the Public. You can then focus your content creation efforts precisely where it is needed. Step 2. To produce a script for your video, use article generators and AI content writers. You may, however, swear that I told you not to use AI script generation software previously. That's not what I meant. Artificial intelligence article generators are software solutions designed to give you a head start and offer you the basic material on which to base your YouTube video script. Never copy and paste any text produced by these AI softwares. You must build on the articles produced by these tools and then create a unique video script using your instinct, experience, and personal point of view. Although these AI tools would automatically produce well-written scripts for you, they are not flawless. Examples of AI content writers and article generators include ChatGPT, Writer, ChatSonic, and others. You'll go through the script and, after crossing out a few sentences, rewrite, restate, rebuild, and add your own human touch, thoughts, and viewpoints to give it a distinctive feel. This will enable the AI detectors to recognize that a real person, rather than some mindless AI software, actually created the content. Here is where the success or failure of your faceless YouTube channel starts. Step 3. Use a good AI text-to-speech to convert the video script to audio. If you're not going to record the script with your own voice, do not use an awkwardly sounding AI voice generator to make your voiceover. The AI voiceover for your video should be decent, to say the least. AI tools like Descript, Murph AI, PlayHT, Podcastle, Synthesia, WellSaid Labs, and others are decent enough for YouTube video voiceover. Additionally, you should know how to tweak AI voiceovers until you get the voice that sounds the best for the task. One benefit of using AI text-to-speech software is that you can recreate your video's audio in a matter of minutes by simply editing the text. However, if you were to record the voiceover by yourself, you would have to start over from scratch. Step 4. For your video's visuals, you can use an AI video generator. The best text-to-video creators include Pictory AI, InVideo, Veed, and a few others. However, you shouldn't rely completely on these AI tools to handle the video generation for your videos. They might produce fairly generic graphics that are quite simple to identify as computer-generated content. I would advise taking the time to oversee and be actively involved in the video creation process if you don't want to manually edit your YouTube videos like I do on this channel. To increase the overall production quality of the video, you should take the time to add graphics, edit visual elements, rebuild and edit stock videos, add stock photos where necessary, remove extraneous graphics, cut down on the length of scenes that are too long, and generally do some work to improve the overall video production quality. Step 5. Make sure your video doesn't contain any material that violates the YouTube community guidelines. Even among the other steps in the video production process, this 5th step is the most crucial. Make sure your content is appropriate and does not promote or feature adult or controversial material, unethical behavior, or political controversy. Your content may be edgy, but proceed with caution. Don't hesitate to leave a comment or any questions you might have regarding this topic in the comments section below.